good, YouTube? What we're gonna be doing today is putting on these Powerstop brake pads, the ceramic ones. These Brimbos, I'm getting tired of all this brake dust. Tired of always having to clean the tires. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out today. They should be pretty easy to put on. So what I'm gonna do first is get the car jacked up here, and then I'll set up the camera and show you how to swap them out. Stay tuned. All right, so as you can guys see, I've got the car jacked up in the front. I'm also gonna go ahead and rotate my tires. So I also put the back on jack stands so I can go ahead and take the back tire off as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get that knocked out first. Of course, I'll just rotate the back and I'll leave the front off while I do the brakes. And then we'll get these power stops installed. my hands and the gloves. That's why I wear gloves. We haven't even touched the brakes yet. That's just the brake dust off the front tire. So this is why we're putting on the Powerstops. Now to change these Brembos, there's a screw here you can unbolt back here in the back. And what you're gonna do is knock these 2 pins out here. And here, you're gonna knock those 2 through the back. Take this bolt off. This one will come through the front here. And we're gonna pop this bracket off, slide the brakes out. And then we'll put the new ones in, fasten everything back up, we'll be good to go. I'll get the camera set up in just a moment and I'll walk you guys through it. We got them cleaned off. We're gonna go ahead and work on taking this bolt out here. That's off. All right, what you're gonna do here is knock these pins through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a nail and hammer it back out. All right, so as you can see, we got everything out now. All we got to do now is pop the brake pads out the back and pop the new ones in. All right, one down. Two down. And as you can see, guys, the pads are still pretty much brand new. But you see how much brake dust is on my hands just from touching them. So yeah, definitely gonna get this swapped out. All right, so as you can guys see, we've got them swapped out here. Got everything put back in place. The new kit comes with the new bracket and pin, so we went ahead and swapped out to the new ones. Wiped the brakes off as good as we could. But yeah, there you have it. Just swapped out, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire back on, lower this side down, and get working on the other side. All right, so once you've got the brakes installed, what you'll also want to do is drive. They have the instructions on the box when you get them, but you'll drive in increments. I believe it's 5 intervals. So you'll drive about 40 miles an hour. You'll decelerate to about 10, and then you'll get up to about 30, and you'll decelerate to 5 miles an hour. You'll do each of those about 5 times just to break your brakes in a little bit, make sure the wear is even, and then you're good to go. All right, guys, so my camera memory got full here, so I didn't get to show you guys how to put everything back together. But pretty much you just pop the screw back in and the two pins back in. You have run back through. Screw the pin back in right there in the middle. Just screw that one back in with the wrench again. And then put your wheel back on, you're good to go. Yeah, so pretty much it wasn't that hard, pretty easy. It's my first time ever changing brakes myself. But I was able to do both sides, and I went ahead and rotated my tires as well. Because as you can see, I've got some 315s here to put on. We'll see how those do. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.